Looking for the best SEO tools to improve your website's performance? In this video, we'll cover the top SEO tools you need in 2025 to boost your rankings, track your progress, and outrank your competition. SEO tools help you research keywords, analyze your competitors, audit your website, and track your search rankings. Here are some of the top SEO tools you should consider. Google Search Console, monitor your site's presence and fix indexing issues. RFs, comprehensive tool for backlink analysis and keyword research. SEM Rush, all-in-one platform for SEO audits, keyword tracking, and competitive analysis. Moz Pro, user-friendly tools for keyword research and site optimization. Surfer SEO, optimize your content based on real-time data and page analysis. Screaming Frog, website crawler for technical SEO audits. Ubersuggest, affordable tool for keyword ideas and SEO reports. Using these tools regularly can help you spot opportunities, improve your SEO strategy, and measure results. If you want in-depth tutorials on how to use these SEO tools, don't forget to like and subscribe.